sunshine.
Welcome to Razons by Glenn.
It's got my head all up in the
A
clouds.
delightful day sa inyong lahat. Tong araw na ito is special because we are celebrating our 19th year of being in the business. 19 years of giving customer delight and being the leader in the field that we are offering.
Ang experience ng Razons by Glenn hindi ang mangyayari ng isang tao lamang.
It's about a collective effort of everybody who's here. And even to those people na nakasama namin when we first opened our first outlet.
Gusto kong iparating sa bawat isa sa inyo yung aking pasasalamat kasi lahat ng mga taong tumulong at pinagkakautang ako ng loob kasi
Hindi tayo lalaki ng ganito.
Congratulations to Razons by Glenn Tarlac City Branch for its grand reopening and more blessings to come.
I got sunshine.
Okay! Thank you!
It's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah, we go.
nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat because nakita ko sabay-sabay tayong nag-level. We are here, I am here, the rest of the leadership team are committed na mas palalo pa natin mapalaki, mas lalo pa natin mapalago hanggang ma-reach natin ang target nating 100 outlets in less than 10 years.
Sunshine on my face. Congratulations, RPG. Yeah.
I am happy to announce that as of today, we are 19 outlets and we are opening 5 more before the end of the year. Hard work really works. Maraming salamat sa mga bagong dating ng RBG. Sana nakikita nyo yung fulfillment sa pag-umpisa ng trabaho nyo dito. Sa mga nakasama ko sa support team or leadership team, palakpakan natin sila lahat.
So inaanyayahan po namin kayong lahat na sana po ibisitahin niyo po kami sa aming bagong bukas na outlet dito sa Estañedo. Ang lugar natin ngayon ay inopen na natin para makapag-celebrate po ang pamilya natin, mga kaibigan natin at mga katrabaho natin dito sa loob mismo ng Razons by Glenn.
Coming down on me. Sunshine on my face.
Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat kasi po kami po inyong tinangkilik at sinuportahan sa loob ng 19 na taon. Asahan po ninyo na lalo pa namin pong gagalingan at aayusin ang aming pagsiservisyo at para lalong maibigay sa inyo ang aming tradition of delight.
Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah.
We pride ourselves also to innovate to give more exciting products that our customers will enjoy. So come and visit us and celebrate with us because we will offering still the best halo-halo and the best palabok in the country.
I got sunshine. I got sunshine. RPG is tradition of the life. I got sunshine.